To make your photo pop with the spot color feature on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the record photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Next, tap spot color to turn your photo to black and white. Now tap anything on the photo you want to show in color. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. As you can see, now the selected photo turns to black and white except for the selected color. Given the function, the spot color feature will make it easy to create stunning, artistic photos by highlighting a specific color while turning the rest of the image black and white. It's perfect for making subject pop or adding dramatic flair to your shot. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.